Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated to those customers whose Android smartphone is locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password lock. And this video is totally applicable for any kind of Android smartphone like Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, Realme, MI, OnePlus. Any kind of Android smartphone can be unlocked with the help of this video. You can see here this phone is locked due to forgotten pattern lock, and if you want to unlock your smartphone, you will have to watch this video till the end. And one more thing I would like to tell you, my friend, if you're using this method, then your phone's all the data like photos, videos, and other application will be saved as it is as in your smartphone. So this video is very useful for those customers who don't want to lose their smartphone's data. Okay, before starting this method, you will have to charge your phone at least 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. Okay, so let's begin this method. Firstly, you will have to eject your smartphone SIM card from your smartphone. Okay, then after you will have to switch off your smartphone, and for this simply you will have to press the power button and switch off your smartphone here. Now when your smartphone complete switch off, so you will have to press the power button and the volume up button to switch on your phone's hard reset mode. Okay, so I'm going to press the power button and the volume up button to switch on the hard reset mode. Now you can see here my phone's hard reset mode has been activated. Here you will get two options. The first one will show here reboot, and the second option will show here recovery mode. Okay, here you will have to go to the second method, that is showing here recovery mode, but here your phone's display touch won't work, so you will have to go to the down option. You will have to use the volume down and up button to go up and down. Here simply you will have to go to the down recovery mode option, and for select this option you will have to press the volume button. Simply you will have to press the volume button to select this option. When you will select this option, a new page will be appear here. You can see within second. Now you can see here there is a new page has been appeared on your phone display. That's the page name is a recovery page. Here you will get a three option. The first option is showing here install software, the second option is clear data, and the third option is check system. As you know, this method is known as offline unlocking method, so you can't use this install software option. Simply you will have to go to the option of clear data. Simply you will have to click on this. Here you will get two options. The first option is showing here clear cache, and the second option is showing here clear all data. So you don't have to go with this clear all data. If you click on this option, your phone's all the data will be deleted. So you will have to go with this option, clear cache option, and go to the OK. Now your phone's all the clear cache has been removed. Okay, now after this you will get an option of return. Simply you will have to click on this and go with the back option. Now here you will get two options. The first option is showing here shutdown, and the second option is showing here restart. So you don't have to go to the restart. Simply you will have to click on the shutdown option, and you will have to go to the OK. Let's your phones be complete switch off. When it's complete switch off, simply you will have to press the power button and switch on your smartphone. Now it's getting switch on. You will have to wait until it's complete switch on here. Now you can see here the smartphone has been switch on here, but you can see here still now pattern lock is showing here, so don't worry at all. There are some USSD code what I am going to give you here. You will have to dial that USSD code in emergency call option. Okay, so you will have to simply click on this emergency. You can see here there is an emergency option. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, your phone's dialing pad will be on like this here. Now here you will have to use a USSD code. That USSD code is star hash 812 and hash. After feeding this USSD code, you will have to call on this, and when you will call on this, you will get a pop-up of call not sent. Simply you will have to ignore this with the OK button. Now after this you will have to go to the back button. You will get an option of camera. Simply you will have to click on this camera option and slide it upside, and your phone's camera will be switch on here like this. You can see here. Now when your camera switch on, you will have to take three random photographs here. 1, 2 and 3. When you capture 3 photographs, simply after that you will have to go with the back button. Now again you will have to slide your phone upside, and again you will have to open your phone's emergency option. Click on this emergency option. Now here another USSD code what I am going to give you, that will remove your all the remove your phone's all the hidden pin, pattern and password. And this USSD code is *813 and #. Okay, now after this again you will have to click on this emergency option. You will again get a pop-up of OK. Simply you will have to click on this OK. Now after this simply you will have to go with the back button. Now again after this you will have to slide your phone upside. You will again get a such type of pattern lock here. Still now you can see here phone has been not unlocked, so don't worry at all. Simply you will have to use some wrong patterns here until you get the option of forget password. Okay, simply you will have to continue, draw the patterns. Now after this you will get an option of forget option. Simply you will have to click on this forget option. Now here you will have to feed two special passcode here. After that your phone will be unlocked. The first answer will be skip here. You will have to type here skip, and the second option will be PASS pass. Okay, after feeding this these two verification codes here, simply you will have to click on this verify. And when you will click on this verify, you can see here phones all the pin pattern and password has been removed. Now here it will show you to allow new pin pattern or password here. So from here you can make a new pin pattern and password here. So still now I'm not going with new pin pattern and password. Simply I'm going with skip swap option. Simply I will click on this swipe option. Now you can see here my smartphone has been completely unlocked. And the main thing is that you can see here my phone's all the data and the application which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick is very useful for those customers who don't want to lose their money and don't want to visit any service center, and they want to save their smartphone's data, can use this method to unlock their smartphone. So if your smartphone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. And if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make us comment which type of issues you're facing in this method. Our team will quick response on your issues with the help of comments and WhatsApp video calls. Thank you so much.